Then the 3 blue balls. There's 1, 2, 3. And there's a red green ball and 3 blue balls and red ball and a black ball. And there's black balls style foot is will change after pigs. And there's a blue ball. Like he can stick to walls and pigs. Alright, Mom, I don't see I can turn on this page. I know the red ball right there. And there's a pig right there. And there's the ice ball. That pig's rocket ship. And it'll stick to the ice ball. And the pig has the space aid. The pig has the space aid.
Oh my goodness.
That's the ice ball right there. He's struck towards him. That's our space aid right there. And there's no... Then the pig is laughing.
Why is he laughing?
He did the blood. He stepped on his head. And there's the ice ball right there, and the black ball, and the green ball, and the blue balls, and the red ball, black ball, and the green ball, and the blue ball, and the pig. Why he diving, Mom?
I don't know.
Let's see what happens next. The end.
Wow, that's cool.